Now, your first warm weather forecast with meteorologist Joey Marino.
Good morning, everybody, and happy Monday. What a big difference we're seeing here in the state line in just a week's time frame. Last week, we were dealing with record warmth. We hit a high of 77 degrees, breaking our old record of 74 degrees from 1999. This time around, we're looking at much more seasonable temperatures as we're looking at a high of 48 degrees this afternoon. Fortunately, we do keep the sunshine, but it's going to be much cooler. We do hold on to a bit of a wind as we get into this afternoon as well. But taking a live look this morning over downtown Beloit, Wisconsin, we're looking at plenty of sunshine for the start of our Monday. But as you walk out the door this morning, I would add on an extra layer or two because it is a pretty chilly start across the state line. Temperatures this morning did fall into the upper 20s in most spots, still there at this moment. 28 degrees in Freeport, 29 in Rochelle, still sitting at 30 degrees in Rockford, 28 in Monroe, and 27 in Galena. Now, we did have a very windy day across the state line yesterday. Most of us saw about 50 to 55 mile per hour winds. Strong winds did die down overnight last night. Still looking at about a light wind of 5 to 10 miles per hour out of the southwest, and that is making for wind chills closer to the 20-degree mark this morning. A few of us still, especially our areas up in southern Wisconsin, sitting in the teens. So grab that heavier jacket before heading out the door. Make sure you dress warmly before heading to school or work. Now, otherwise, we are pretty quiet. We're off to a sun-filled start across the state line, but you can see that there are a few clouds that are making their way in from the west, and that's all with a weak disturbance that is currently tracking through the state of Minnesota. You can see that it is bringing snow to portions of Minnesota, including the Minneapolis metro. That's going to be moving to the north of us, keeping most of that precipitation with it, but we do have a chance to see a few more clouds by this afternoon, and also an isolated shower. But today's story is going to be the winds once again. We'll start off with about 15 to 20 mile per hour wind gusts, ramping up to 20 to 25 miles per hour this afternoon. So if you're going to be traveling this afternoon, I would take a little extra caution. Now, here's a look at that weak disturbance. By midday today, we should start to see a few clouds spanning across our skies. That should bring us an isolated shower between 1 o'clock and 4 o'clock this afternoon, and then keep us dry as we head into this evening and the overnight hours. High pressure moves in for the night tonight. That's going to bring more sunshine for our Tuesday. We'll see plenty of sunshine, but because of that system passing through, we're going to see high temperatures down into the low 40s. But there are warmer temperatures on the way for the state line, and that's because a strong ridge of high pressure does develop to our west today, and it does move eastward over the state line as we head into Wednesday morning. So that's going to ramp up our temperatures by midweek, up to 50 degrees for Wednesday, 16 degrees above average for Thursday with a high of 62. Then we do stay well above average as we head into the upcoming weekend. So let's take a look at today's forecast. 48 degrees. It'll be a chilly start out there. We do stay pretty chilly this afternoon as wind chills stay in the 30s, but we'll have partly sunny skies and a bit of a wind with us this afternoon. Tonight, that wind does die down a little bit, but it'll still be breezy at times with a low around 27. So another chilly start to the day tomorrow. We stay chilly with a high of 41. Warmer temperatures arrive by the second half of the work week. Back to you, Whitney.